morning. I'm Bruce Frank from KSi Conveyors, and I'm here today to talk about our 18 BDC Overbin. I want to welcome you to the 2020 virtual show and to the KSi booth. As we look at this unit, it is designed specifically for the seed business. It is set up to be very careful with handling the seed and making sure that it is very accurate in where that seed goes. The application where this goes, normally they can't reach the inlet to all the bins for some reason or other. There's obstruction, there's another row of bins, maybe it's tucked around behind a building. So a single inlet area for the seed. Got an incline to each spout, and there's a K valve in there that will either discharge or will pass it through to the next piece of incline. It's easier to get the concept and understand how this works as we open it up and just show off the diverter at the K valve here and how the belts work. So we've got an incline belt coming from the last discharge. It comes up to this point, and as the belt goes around this roller, the product is going to go into this K valve. As it is set right now, this K valve is closed. Take a gander over here. We've got a solid wall. There's no entry of anything. There's nothing exiting. The product has to go through the K valve. It's going to reach that next incline, and it's going to move on to wherever it is we tell it to discharge. Now, if we open that K valve up, we'll be able to see how that rotates, and as that rotates, that's going to close off any possibility of the seed moving onto that next section of belt. It has to be diverted. There is no choice for that seed. So as it comes, we see that diverter coming into place. It's going to deflect it off to the side, and it's going to, as you look at it from the outside, you can see now that that spout's right into this spout. It's going to send it, and this spout's going to send it right into the bin that is underneath it. Also with the setup, we have it closed up so that we don't have the snow and the wind and the rain getting internal near as much with this design. So much easier application in the winter time. We don't have near the challenges that we could have if we had other designs. We do have the ability to retrofit. We've used this catwalk before, and there are other catwalks out there. We can, on our older units, we can retrofit this unit without just a lot of change. It's going to take a little minor adjustment to the catwalk itself. We've got one motor here, and it's got a large roller that has good traction, allows us to take this unit from anywhere up to and beyond 250-foot total length. So we have the ability to work with quite a number of bins in a row and still fill each one of them from that single access point. It is a unit that will also fit in the grain or the seed grower world. If you got a row of bins, they're going to obviously be spread farther apart, and that'll be a custom unit, but it'll still be the same basic unit, just with longer stretches in between the discharges. So this is a unit that we've spent some time on. We're really proud of the way it's turned out. We've got customers that have used other products, and they're very happy with this product. So we're thankful to be able to show this unit off. And we thank you for stopping at the KSi booth and paying attention to what we're looking at.